Bosnya Putra. So now I will solve problem number 2A from section 3.3. Okay, first we know that the U is equal to 2 and 3, and then V equal to 5 and minus 7. And then the question is determine U and V are orthogonal vector. So for answer the question, I will use formula that U dot V equal to U1 multiplied by V1 and then plus with U2 multiplied by V2, and then we substitute the number of the U and V into the formula, and then we get 2 multiplied by 5 and then plus 3 multiplied by minus 7, and then we got the result is 10 subtract with 21, and then the final result is minus 11. So from that, because the dot product of U and V is not equal to 0, this vector is not orthogonal. So we next to the another question. Okay, next to the question number 11 from section 3.3. In this question, we know n1 is equal to 3x minus y plus z subtract by 4 and equal to 0. From this equation, we derivative that we get x is 3 and then y is minus 1 and then z is 1. Next is n2 equal to x plus 2 and z equal to minus 1. And then from derivative from this equation, we got that x is equal to 1 and then y is equal to 0 and then z is equal to 2. And this question is asked about determine the planes are perpendicular or not. And for answer this question, we must know that is want to prove that the perpendicular or not. Is when the n1 multiplied by n2 is equal to 0, or this is like U multiplied by V. And after that, we substitute the formula that U dot V, ini substitute the number from n1 or u multiply by n2 or the v. We multiply by 1 by 1, then plus then 1 multiplied by 2. From this we got the result is 3 plus 0 plus 2. Then we got the final answer is 5. So because the dot product is not equal to 0, so the planes is not perpendicular. Okay, we next to the next question. And now number 13 from section 3.3 is the question is, we know that u equal to 1 and minus 2, and then a is equal to minus 4 and minus 3, and then the question is what is product of a. Okay, for answer this question I will use the formula that a is equal to u multiply by cos theta. After this we substitute the u number into the formula. And then we got 1 minus 2 multiply by cos theta, and then in the root 1 plus minus 2 power 2 multiply by cos theta. We got the answer is in the root 5 multiply by cos theta. Then we got answer 5. Why this is 5? Because we know that cos theta is non-negative. Is non-negative, so the result will be positive value, which is root 5 equal to 2.23. Okay, that's all for for the question number 13. Okay, next to the question number 21 from section 3.3. In this question, we know that point is -3 and 1, and then the plane is 4x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, and then the point is x and y, and then the plane is have a coefficient that a, b, d. So the question is find the distance between point and plane, and for answer this question I will use the formula that d, or distance, is equal to a in bracket x0 minus x1, and then plus b in bracket y0 minus y1, and then d. After that, we substitute the number into the formula. This is 4 and then minus 3 plus 3 and then 1 plus 4, then per or divide by a power 2 plus b power 2, sorry, root a power 2 and plus b power 2, and then we got the answer is minus 5 per in root 25, and then from that we got 5 per 5, and then the final result is 1 from this question. So the distance point and plane is 1. Determine whether the given plane are parallel, and then for answer this question first I will declare that the parallel is when the n1 is one way or one direction with k and 2, or we can say k and 1 is equal to n2. Okay, next, first I will find the scalar. Find scalar with k and 1 equal to n2. K multiplied by 4 is 7, and then k multiplied by minus 1 equal to minus 3, k multiplied by 2 equal to 4. Then we got the n1, and k is 7 per 4. After that we substitute the 7 per 4 first substitute to 7 plus 4 multiplied by 4 equal to this, and the 7 will stay 7, then 2 multiplied by minus 1 become -7 plus -7 per 4, which is a -3, and then 3 from this we got the 14 per 4 is 4. So after this all, we can say that value k to this equation is not equal. So the vector is not parallel. Okay, that's all the answering question number 7 from section 3.3. Thank you. Okay, now we next to question number 25 from section 3.3. We know that the point is 3, 1, and minus 2, and then the plane is x plus 2, y plus minus 2z, and then minus 4 equal to 0. And then the question is find the distance between point and plane. So for answer this question, I will use the formula that d equal to 1 and then 3 plus 2, 1, and then 2 minus 2 plus minus 4. Sorry, my camera is dead before, so the from minus 4 that per a power 2, b power 2, and the c power 2, and then from that we got the result that 3 plus 2 plus 4 minus 4, and then we substitute the value that 1 power 2 plus 2 power 2, and then 2 plus and then 2 power 2 plus minus 2 power 2, and then we got the result is 5 per root 9, and then because the root 9 is 3, we change the 3, and then this is the final result. So the distance of plane and point is 5 per 3.